Sitting around a backyard fire should be about the conversation and the stars, not about dodging a thick wall of stinging smoke every 30 seconds. We have all been there. You move your chair to escape the cloud, only for the wind to shift right back into your face. It is frustrating. It ruins the mood. That is why these specialized stainless steel fire pits have become such a massive trend lately. The latest version of this popular model really refines the whole experience. It uses a clever double wall design to change how wood burns. Cold air gets pulled in through vents at the very bottom. Some of that air feeds the base of the fire to keep it hot and active. The rest of the air travels up through the hollow walls. It gets incredibly hot as it moves. When it finally shoots out of the holes near the top rim, it ignites the smoke and gases that usually just float away. This creates a secondary burn that looks like beautiful little torches of fire hovering at the top. It is a much cleaner and more efficient way to burn wood. The big news with the newest model is all about the cleanup. With the original design, you had to wait for the whole thing to cool down, and then physically flip the entire heavy drum over to empty the ash. It was a dusty, awkward mess. Now there is a removable ash pan tucked inside. You just lift the base plate and pull out the tray. It sounds like a small change, but it makes a world of difference for how often you will actually want to use it. Setting it up takes about 30 seconds. You find a flat surface like dirt or gravel. If you want to use it on a wooden deck, you absolutely need to use the dedicated stand to keep the heat from scorching your boards. You drop the ash pan in, place the grate on top, and you are ready. Start with some small dry kindling. Avoid the chemical smell of lighter fluid. It is unnecessary because the airflow is so strong. Once the small stuff catches, add your larger logs. Keep the wood below the top vent holes to keep the smokeless effect working perfectly. You will notice the difference almost immediately. The fire burns hotter and leaves behind almost no unburned wood. Your clothes will not reek of a campfire the next day either. The premium stainless steel construction is durable and rust resistant, though it will develop a unique blue and gold tint after a few uses. That is just a sign of a good fire. It is an investment for sure. These units are not cheap, and they burn through wood pretty fast because the airflow is so efficient. But for the convenience and the sheer beauty of the flame, it is hard to beat. If you already own the first model, the upgrade is mostly about convenience. But if you are looking for your first smokeless pit, this refined version is the gold standard. It turns a chore into a relaxing centerpiece for your backyard. It makes the whole process feel effortless and looks incredible while doing it. It truly transforms a simple backyard hangout into a mesmerizing experience that you will actually want to repeat every single weekend. Just grab some dry wood, a few friends, and enjoy the glow.